This looks cheaper. It smells like coconut. Ooh. Next. Ooh, what is this? Is this some alcohol?
It's just water.
So I woke up at 7 in the morning and came all the way here for water. One of them better be like $100 water. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna try the blue one first. I like the texture. It has a nice, you know, fluid texture. If the other one is tap water, you know I'm not gonna swallow it, cause you know I'm not used to swallow anything. The lightest one is the most expensive. I studied water once. This one is the most expensive. Is it?
Yes, you're right.
I'm right. Next. I'm not paid enough for this. Why am I supposed to clean this? Bring something exciting. I want something exciting. Bring up the next one. Ooh. Okay, I see a face mask. What is this? Again, this looks like an airline wipe or something. Oh, it's another face mask. Okay. This is too wet. I don't like this feeling. Let me see this one. This one, I already got the answer. This one is more expensive because it has some plastic in it and it has some texture to it. Yeah, wait, let me try it out. Let's see. I look like I'm gonna kill somebody. Ooh, it's good for the skin, but I can also kill somebody and not get recognized for it. Okay, let's try this cheap wipe. Y'all made it too obvious. Y'all really want me to win, right? This is too wet and too cold. I look like a ghost or something. Anyways, this one is the most expensive. I'm not, you're lying. I like the texture. This one is just wet something, like wet fabric. This one is the most expensive, and I won again. Next. Ooh, some panties. I'm not wearing any. Okay, let's see. This one is horrible. This one is beautiful and sexy, and I like this. This is very, it looks like a jock strap. I think y'all get me on this. Wait, I'm gonna have to try it out. Mirror. Ooh, this is nice. How does my ass look? Wait. Let me try the other one. Yeah, no, this one is the cheapest for sure. This looks very bad. Sure, I don't like it. And why does it have the metal things? Like, is this a pair of shoes or something? Whew. Okay, so this one is definitely more expensive because it has a lot of details to it. It's nice. And this one is cheap. Am I right?
Completely right.
There you go. I'm actually gonna take this. You can have this. Next. Ooh, some lipstick. They both look cheap. I don't know who chose the packaging. Let me open it. This is a nice shade. Okay, I like this. Let me see the other one. This has hair on it. This looks cheaper. I'm sure this one is cheap. Let me see. None of them smell. Normally expensive lipsticks do smell, so that's kind of weird. But this one looks better. Let me swatch this. Okay, this is really creamy. I like it. Let me see the other one. The brown one is not that good. I don't like the shade. I think this one is the most expensive one. It feels expensive. You could wear this, you know, at work or even at night, you know, if you're going to some party or you want to some, I don't know, whatever you want to do. But it looks good. It looks good. So I think this one is the most expensive one. So yeah, am I right?
I think you're right. Yeah.
I am winning, as always. Next. Okay, what's next? This one better be good. Ooh, is this some cream? It better be La Mer. Okay, this is cheap. We all know what cream this is. It's the extremely white cream that you get at $4.99 at every pharmacy. Now this, ooh, this smells good. It smells like coconut. Ooh, this feels expensive, girl. Yeah, I like it. It's very tropical. Like if I close my eyes, I can imagine myself in the Bahamas right now, like chilling. Am I right? Is this the expensive one?
Yes.
There you go. I won again. So I won. Make sure to subscribe to Beauty Hacks and me and comment down below some suggestions if you want to see me try some new stuff. And if you do, comment down below some expensive stuff because I want to test out some more expensive stuff. Because this row was kind of cheap, you guys.